The third point is to encourage them to solve their own problems instead of rescuing them all the time or teaching them about healthy coping skills. Tell them about a bunch of healthy ways that will help them deal with their strong emotions, such as solving puzzles, listening to music, doing some art, or dancing, etc. Anything that they enjoy doing can be a way to deal with certain big emotions. The fourth tip is to showcase the skills and behavior that you want in your child. We all know that we are their role models, they are making us all the time. So, show them how you deal with your difficult moments. This will help your child to learn how to navigate big feelings. And when you are raging, take a deep breath and calm yourself. Tell the Tell to your child that this is what we can do when we are going through some difficult time. This will help your child understand what you're doing and why. The fifth and the last tip is to help your child identify their thresholds and set boundaries. If you sense that your child is agitated about something, identify physical responses and offer healthy solutions. So probably you can say something like, I hear you sighing a lot. Why don't you take a walk and come back in a bit? So resilient children are very confident, very independent, they're very curious as well. Building a resilient child will not only help them today, but in future as well. If you like this video, please subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching.